Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be like a power hour, just trying to see what can I get done during the time that the boys are taking a nap. Normally I'll start with a little laundry if I have to wash clothes, and as the clothes are being washed, I start tackling some dishes or putting things away in the pantry from breakfast and lunch. And then I also have to clean like the breakfast nook area because that's where the boys eat, and there's always tons of food on the floor. So go ahead and keep on watching. Thinking of my own. So I was just adding some baking soda and some distilled white vinegar inside the washer with the towels because it helped reduce the odor, and it also make it feel super soft after it comes out the dryer. But I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Next, I'm moving into the kitchen and trying to put all the things that I was using for breakfast and lunch back to where they belong. And I was putting things in the pantry. And you guys, that pantry is a hot mess. But if you've been here in the beginning of the year, I do like a decluttering series, organizing and all that. I'll be doing the same thing this upcoming year, and the pantry is on the list. So if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can be here when we start working on decluttering and organizing the space. I don't want what's wrapped in paper. Now I am washing some dishes as I am watching something on TV, and I was also trying something different with the angle. Let's just say it didn't go well, but this is Vlogmas, so there is no time for me to go back to the drawing board. It's just going to be what it is. I cannot believe we have made it to day 16. My first goal was to make it a day 10, then the 15th day. Now we're aiming for day 20. Let's see if we can get there. Now we have moved on to the breakfast nook area. I just want to make sure I sweep up all those food particles off the ground and also wipe down their high chair. Christmases of old, when all was right and the candles Let me go ahead and take this time to introduce myself. If you're new, welcome. My name is Flore, but you can call me Flo, and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom to two amazing little boys named Michael and Joshua. And on this channel, you'll find some cleaning motivation, some family vlogs, and some DIY projects. And everything that we do here, we do with budget in mind. So if any of these things interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can join the family. We'll love to have you. And I finished cleaning that area just in time for Joshua to wake up so he can enjoy his lunch while Michael is still sleeping. After Joshua is done with his lunch, while he is playing, I am going to finish folding towels. And that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. We'll see. Bye.